Hello! In this video I will show all about the maintenance on the Canon PIXMA G series continuous ink printers. This setup can be used for Canon Wi-Fi multifunctionals with the square size display. I put the models on the screen. I cover the following in this video, and for the detailed product review, refer to the notification in the upper right corner of the screen. First, I show how to access the maintenance menu. Select Maintenance, and as the QR lamp is on, you can display and scan the QR code to get more information from the web manuals. For Wi-Fi devices registered to Canon Print app, you can always tap on the printer icon to see the device status. Select Utilities and then confirm pairing on the printer screen. Here is the maintenance menu on the mobile. When printer is installed to computer, you can run Inkjet Assistant tool. I open the remote UI and then admin login appears, where I use the device serial number as the default admin password. It takes me to the same site as previously via the mobile. Let's open online manuals and search for maintenance. Here is more information about maintenance, and in case of the on-screen error on the printer, here is the list of printer errors. I pick one, and about ink absorber I talk later in the video. I start the maintenance with the nozzle check print, which checks if the ink ejects properly from the print head nozzles. Counter and firmware version are also printed. My nozzle check is OK, so I do not need to proceed with cleaning. There are three types of cleaning. If print quality does not improve by the standard cleaning, then you can clean the print head deeply. And then there is another possibility, which is replace ink in print head, which consumes a great amount of ink and could recover the print head, but for sure it will fill up the ink absorber in the maintenance cartridge. Next, in the maintenance menu, I find print head alignment. I have already demonstrated in the setup video, so I don't do it again. It is automatic in this printer and necessary for a good print quality. For this demonstration, I only print alignment values. Next, I show how to clean the rollers. This process makes some noise and takes about a minute. Next, I clean the bottom plate by folding the sheet of paper as it is displayed on the screen. Replacement of the maintenance cartridge replaces the ink absorber. When the maintenance cartridge gets full, then the icon appears on the display. The status of the cartridge can be checked via the Canon Print app. The MC-G04 is compatible with this generation of G-series printers, including the models in the upper right corner of the screen. There is a chip which resets the printer status when you insert the new cartridge into the printer. The replacement from the back of the printer will take only about a minute. I check the status after replacement and the MC is empty. There is plastic bag included for the old maintenance cartridge to be disposed. Next, I replace the print head, which is also available as a consumable part and can be replaced by user. The replacement is as easy as installation. It is recommended that ink tanks are full enough. I took out the color print head. After replacement, the print head alignment is recommended. And for the end, I cover the transport mode, which protects against the ink leakage while transporting the printer. In the manuals, you find what needs to be taken care of while transporting the continuous ink printer. After transport, just turn on the printer and it is ready to use. To prevent damage to the printer head, always turn off printer by using power button or use auto power on-off function before unplugging from the wall. See the description below for more information, and that would be all in this video. Find more about printers on my channel. Feel free to comment, give it a like if you find it useful, and subscribe to support my channel as it helps me to grow and create more videos. Thank you for watching and sharing. Bye.